Did you know that certain fruits and vegetables can boost your DNA repair? It's true, and today we're going to explore which ones can do just that. Now you might be wondering, what does DNA repair have to do with my health? Well, let me enlighten you. Our bodies are composed of trillions of cells, and within each cell is our DNA. This DNA is our genetic blueprint, controlling everything from our hair color to our susceptibility to diseases. However, our DNA isn't invincible. It can get damaged from various sources such as exposure to ultraviolet light from the sun or harmful chemicals in our environment. And when DNA gets damaged, it can lead to mutations, which may result in diseases including cancer. That's where DNA repair comes in. Our bodies have a built-in repair system that fixes these damages, maintaining the integrity of our DNA. But did you know that we can give this repair process a little boost? That's right. Certain fruits and vegetables contain compounds that can enhance our body's DNA repair mechanism. Let's take a moment to appreciate the marvels of nature that these fruits and vegetables are. They are not only packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, but also harbor the power to fortify our genetic material. They are the silent warriors that shield us from within, fighting against the onslaught of daily wear and tear on our DNA. In this journey, we will explore the DNA repairing prowess of kiwis, blueberries, apples, citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, persimmons, strawberries, broccoli, and celery. Each of these fruits and vegetables harbors unique compounds that can augment our DNA repair process, fortifying our health from the cellular level. Learning about these fruits and vegetables and incorporating them into our diets can make a significant difference in our health. They are delicious, readily available, and hold the key to enhancing our DNA repair, helping us lead healthier, longer lives. So without further ado, let's dive into the list of these extraordinary fruits and vegetables. Starting off our list, we have the humble kiwi and the delightful blueberry. Both of these fruits pack a punch when it comes to DNA repair. Kiwi, often underestimated, is a powerhouse of vitamin C. This vitamin not only boosts your immune system but also is a fundamental player in collagen production and DNA repair. It helps to protect your cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and aids in the repair of damaged genetic material. Now, let's talk about the beautiful blueberries. These little berries are more than just a tasty treat. They are loaded with potent antioxidants, known as anthocyanins, which protect our cells against DNA damage. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to our DNA. These two fruits are delicious, nutritious, and they work hard to keep your DNA in top shape. So next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up some kiwi and blueberries. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food Happy Lifestyle. On this channel you will get valuable tips to improve your health for a happy living. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Moving on, we have the ever-popular apples and the refreshing citrus fruits, lemons and oranges. Let's start with the humble apple. Bursting with juicy sweetness and crisp texture, apples are more than just a tasty snack. They're also a powerhouse of a compound called quercetin. Now, quercetin is a flavonoid, a type of plant chemical that has a host of health benefits. Its superpower? Protecting our DNA from oxidative damage. You see, every day our bodies are exposed to harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals cause oxidative stress, which can damage our DNA. This is where quercetin steps in. It's a potent antioxidant, which means it can neutralize these free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and protecting our DNA. But the goodness of apples doesn't stop at quercetin. They're also rich in fiber, which aids digestion, and vitamin C, which boosts our immune system. So when they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, they're not kidding. Now, let's turn our attention to citrus fruits, specifically lemons and oranges. These vibrant fruits are known for their tangy flavor and invigorating scent. But did you know they're also packed with vitamin C? Yes, the same vitamin C that's in our apples. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that our bodies can't produce on their own. It plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health, including the health of our DNA. You see, vitamin C is another powerful antioxidant. It can help repair our DNA by reducing oxidative stress and promoting the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the structure of our DNA. Moreover, vitamin C aids in the absorption of iron, boosts the immune system, and promotes skin health. So not only do citrus fruits help keep your DNA in great shape, but they also contribute to your overall well-being. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and a citrus a day keeps your DNA in great shape. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, why not grab an apple or a citrus fruit? Your DNA will thank you. Next on our list are the sweet persimmons and juicy strawberries. Persimmons, with their vibrant orange hue, pack a punch in terms of health benefits. These fruits are teeming with antioxidants, the body's first line of defense against cell-damaging free radicals. But what's more interesting is that these antioxidants also play a crucial role in protecting your cells from DNA damage. They neutralize harmful substances that can cause mutations and potentially lead to diseases like cancer. Now, let's delve into the world of strawberries. These bright red beauties aren't just delicious, they're also health powerhouses. Strawberries are bursting with vitamin C, a vital nutrient known for its immune-boosting properties. It enhances the body's ability to mend the damage that our DNA encounters daily from environmental stressors. So add some persimmons and strawberries to your diet for a DNA boost. Finally, we have the green giants, broccoli and celery. Let's start with broccoli, a vegetable that's often underappreciated but packs a powerful punch. It's rich in a compound called sulforaphane, which plays a significant role in enhancing DNA repair in our cells. Think of sulforaphane as a superhero, swooping in to protect the city that is your body from harm. It boosts the body's protective enzymes and flushes out cancer-causing chemicals. But how does this work, you ask? Well, when we chew broccoli, it releases an enzyme that activates sulforaphane. This compound then enters our cells and works its magic, enhancing the natural DNA repair process. This means that any potential damage that could lead to diseases like cancer is swiftly dealt with, promoting a healthier you. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals that broccoli offers. It's an excellent source of vitamins C, K, and A, and minerals like potassium and calcium. These nutrients not only contribute to overall health but also play a part in maintaining the integrity and function of our DNA. Moving on to another green powerhouse, we have celery. This crunchy vegetable is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can protect our DNA from damage. Its antioxidants, like vitamin C and flavonoids, help to combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like a rust that wears down our cells, including our DNA over time. By fighting off this rust, celery helps keep our cells and, in turn, our DNA in top shape. Celery's anti-inflammatory properties also come into play here. Inflammation can lead to DNA damage, but thanks to compounds like luteolin in celery, this damage can be prevented. Luteolin inhibits inflammation and also has antioxidant properties, providing a double defense for our DNA. In addition to these benefits, celery is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and supports overall health. So, make sure to include broccoli and celery in your meals for a healthy DNA boost. These fruits and vegetables aren't just tasty, they're also great for your DNA. Remember, kiwis, with their rich content of antioxidants, help to protect your DNA from oxidative damage. Blueberries, too, are packed with antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which have been shown to enhance DNA repair. Then we have apples and citrus fruits like lemons and oranges. Apples contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that fights against DNA damage. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, a key player in preventing oxidative stress and promoting DNA repair. Don't forget about persimmons and strawberries. Persimmons are a good source of antioxidants and contain beneficial plant compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids, which can protect your DNA. Strawberries, with their high ellagic acid content, play a significant role in DNA repair and protection against DNA damage. And lastly, we looked at broccoli and celery. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains sulforaphane, a compound known to enhance DNA repair. Celery, on the other hand, has a high content of apigenin, a flavonoid that promotes DNA repair and helps prevent DNA damage. Each of these fruits and vegetables hold the key to boosting DNA repair and protecting your cells from damage. The beauty of it all is that they're not only beneficial for your health, but they're also delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. A bite of an apple here, a squeeze of lemon there, or a handful of blueberries in your morning oatmeal can go a long way in enhancing your health. Our bodies are wonderful, intricate systems, and every little bit we do to nurture them counts. By incorporating these DNA-repairing fruits and vegetables into our diet, we are taking an active step towards better health. Keep in mind, your health is your wealth, and every bite can make a difference. If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, click on one of our next videos right now, which are linked here. If you like our videos, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel, Share the video with your friends and leave a comment with your opinion about this topic. Stay healthy and see you soon.